It is really difficult being a Christian where I am from. We suffer much for the sake of Christ and His gospel.
I can totally relate. It is hard being a Christian in America too. We get made fun of on sitcoms a lot.
An underground church the next town over from ours was raided and bombed by militant guerrillas.
I know how you must feel. We had a few people disagreeing on if we should install central air conditioning in our church building or if we should update the sound system with an unexpected gift of $10,000.
My husband was arrested and sat in jail for 3 nights with no food or water because he was caught talking to someone about the Bible. He was tortured and told never to speak the name of Christ again.
That reminds me of the horrible situation our church is in. We need to plant some flowers or the lack of curb appeal will send people running.
I have to get going. I promised that I would fast and pray today for my people's safety. There have been threats about someone burning the cloth tent we are meeting in, so we are praying for the money to be able to build a concrete structure out of cinder blocks.
Yeah, I should get going too. We have a buffet at church tonight. I hope there is some good food there. We don't have many good cooks in our church and the food hasn't been so great lately, but we suffer for Jesus anyway, right?